Hi, and welcome to another episode of Lomdei Tutorials. Today we're going to cover how to import a lesson from the Lomdei library. Okay, so the way to import a lesson is by logging into your account. You're going to see your class on the side here with a list of your students, and you can do this in as a class assignment, or you can do this in the context of a single student in your class. So I'll do it in the class. In the context of the entire class by creating an assignment, but note this will also work if you're assigning this to a specific student in your class. So I'm going to click on the class, and now I see the assignments tab here showing my assignments, and I go to the create assignments button right here in the top right corner. I click on that, and I just choose a subject. So I'll choose Chumash. I'll go to Bereshis, and I'll go to Parshas Vayera, and I'll pick a parak. Okay, now I'm going to look for the Import Lessons button. So if I look where it says My Library, I'm going to see the Import Lessons button up here in green. Now all I have to do is click the Import Lessons button, and now the program takes me to what's called the Shared Library. And then I see on the bottom all the different lessons that I can import. Okay, so if I want here, each one of these lessons has a preview button, and I can preview, over here there's a preview button. So if I want, I can go in and I can click preview, and I can preview the different tasks in this lesson. And if I want, right here, I can hit the import button. There's an import button all the way down on the right side. I can click that import button and import this straight into my library here. Or I can go back to import lessons, and I can actually grab a whole bunch of these lessons at one time by just clicking on them, and there's a little check that checks them off. And I can do multiple lessons at a time, and I can import them very simply. Again, go to the bottom right, check the import button right down here, look at that, and I can click on the import button. And now I have all these lessons in my library ready to assign them to my students. Thank you for listening. This has been another video tutorial on the new Lomdei platform. There'll be more videos to come. Please stay tuned. Have a great day.